If you want to disable browser notifications in Base44, I'll show you the quickest way to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple settings change, but it's really helpful if you want to reduce distractions and stop browser alerts from popping up while you work. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click the profile icon. This opens your account and app options. From there, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left navigation bar and click Preferences. This is where Base44 keeps personalization and notification options. Now scroll or look for the Browser Notifications section. Under that section, click the drop-down menu. When the list appears, select Disable Browser Notification. As soon as you choose that option, your browser notifications will be turned off. That means Base44 will no longer send those alerts through your browser, helping keep your workspace cleaner and more focused. If you ever want to turn them back on later, you can always return to the same preferences menu and change the setting again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled browser notifications in Base44. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.